Helen, please, would you offer a prayer?
Yes, I would. Will,
Thank
it's so
you.
beautiful to see all these familiar and new faces. Aloha from the Ozarks. Aprilhelen here, as we recognize God, our beautiful creator. We know that you're here, as well as all of the multitudes of celestial beings surrounding us, supporting us, guiding us. Thank you for your service to our sweet little planet, Urantia. And for today, we give great thanks to our hosts and our sponsors and our communities who brought all here. And as we hold sacred space for those who can't join us today, we know you are loved. So as we ground in together into our body temples, take a few deep breaths and put everything aside that you can let go. And really be present here with your brothers and sisters at this special Youth Urantia-thon as we spend our day hearing and speaking about the fruits of the Spirit, how to recognize them in others, how to grow them in ourselves. And as we take just a little moment of silence to do whatever you wish with, and I'll call us back in together in just a moment. God, grant us the serenity to accept the things we cannot change, the courage to change the things we can, and the wisdom to know the difference. As we open our ears, as we open our eyes, and welcome each other from all over the world, all over our sweet little planet Urantia. So good to see you. Namaste.